best practicing for building virtual data rooms in 2023. Now that you know how to set up a data room, it is time to learn the best participate for stimulating your data protection with security setting and better workflow management. Implementing user permission. The build data rooms that are security oriented. You need to decide to access rights for admin corporate in implements investor clients financial advisor and other third parties, and since the tax may seem tedious, we give you some examples of guide groups and permission, but not that they may differ depending on their deals and industry. However, the classical structure indicates administrator. The document storage are management page and the file permission tab is completely under the person to control admin can add documents, allow regular use to invite new user, hide members from each other and generally controls of process in the data rooms. Management. Company managers usually have access to all data but aren't assigned to any administration objection. Employees can be divided into the access groups based on their what documents they need for up. Typically, individual user to groups can upload files, edit content, share and rename file. Finance. One finance document must have been unavailable to user dealing with the financial side and their transactions. Investor. Potential investor need their free access to tax information, balance sheet, income statement and other related to their due diligence checkout. As for established investor, their video administration must be provided their access strictly confidential information. Clients. Nowadays it is user group has accessibility only to the client files and folder, however especially right to defend on their individual use management. Encrypting data. Data encryption is a security technical that encrypts data and makes the visible only you can summon with the rights encryption. Here the some tips of the using encryption of your data. Encryption in the rest in the transit. There are no need to enable to disable encryption transit. It is usually offered by the default. However, some provide don't offering encryption at rest by the default and may requires the extra produce the enable it. You should contact your vendor custom service to clearly it. Customer manage encryption key CME key. You can also get controls of the encryption key, switch extra security, massive color collection manager encryption keys.